Hi, this is a real-time demo of how our app performs when scanning a Digital Rail Systems tag. The tags can be used for multiple applications, and I'm going to run through 4 examples for you. Here I have some overhead line electrification design information preloaded onto our database. We have a list of the structures, the structure type, foundation type, site drawings, the line and coordinates. To associate a tag with a line on our database, you simply press Associate Tag, scan the tag. This tag was pre-assigned to a structure, so we're going to overwrite that, yes. And then a list of all the structures on your database appear in a drop-down menu on your app. I'm going to choose the top one, which is Lima Mike 3305. Click on that, and immediately the association was successful. I'm now going to scan the tag. Tag scan, and all the design information for this particular structure that's on our database appears on the app. We have our layout drawings, structure type, foundation type. If I click on civils, within here we have a number of headings that have been decided by the engineering manager at the beginning of the project. This is where we will sit down with our client and we will ask you, what is it you want to see on the app? What is it you want to get out of the system? In this instance, the engineering manager said they wanted to see the chainage, the coordinates, which is easting, northing, level and bearing, the recos, foundation allocation, and they also wanted some drawings attached, such as the layout drawing and the specific structure drawing. If we click on here, the SSA drawing that this particular structure is appears here, and we also have the layout drawing attached. Another excellent feature in the system is the ability to send and receive photos and notes from site via the tags. This is very useful for engineers on site when, for example, they might come across an obstruction. Simply the engineer will take a photo and attach the photo, and it appears immediately on the database, like so. Click on photos, add photo. You can choose a photo from your library or take one instantly. I'll just choose this beautiful photo here, and we will save, and within seconds the photo was saved successfully. I will now click on view all the information associated with this structure in the database, and here you have it. The photo is time-stamped and dated. You can also send notes to and from site, so again, if there's an obstruction on site, the engineer on site can send you a note saying we came across a rock cutting and we're unable to install the foundation, or there's a wing wall from a bridge that is obstructing the foundation. You simply add note, test 3, save. Note was saved successfully, and immediately it is saved on your system by simply refreshing, and there we have it, test 3. We can attach multiple drawings and documents to each tag, to each structure within the database, and the database is controlled by who you, the client, decide it's controlled by. You have database users. You simply click on users, add database user, and that person or persons will have the ability to edit all the design information. So in practice, I would imagine it will work. You will get your design information from your designer. It will all go onto your database, and then that's automatically sent to site via the tags. The app users, you just simply add app users here, and you will give them a password, and then they'll create their own password from there. The app users will not have the ability on site to edit the information. As I mentioned previously, they have the ability to send and receive notes, but not to edit the design information. That keeps it, from a quality control viewpoint, it keeps everything more secure. As soon as design information changes within a project and you get a new revision of drawing or design data, the database user will update the database, and a message will be sent out to the appropriate people informing them that we're now working to, for example, revision 10 of the particular drawing instead of revision 9. All of the historical information will be held on the database, but as soon as you scan the tag, the system will default to the latest design information. Example 2 of what the system can be used for is linking health and safety documents to site. And again, you associate your tag by scanning the tag. Obviously we want to overwrite our previous structure of Lima Mike 3305, so we click yes, and we have a drop down menu of everything that's on the database. We have uploaded some health and safety design information on the database previously, so we've got health and safety 001, click on that, association was successful, scan the tag, and all your health and safety information appears on site. This is going to be used for sending out Network Rail health and safety bulletins, method statements, risk assessments, work package plans, or whatever documentation you as a client want to be on the health and safety tags. Example 3 is using these to digitize all datum plates. At the moment we've got the plastic datum plates that we discussed previously. To digitize the datum plate, again you just upload the design information or your datum plate information onto the database. We'll associate a tag. We'll overwrite the health and safety one. We're now going to associate the tag with a datum plate structure. And here we have datum plate 1462. Association was successful. Click OK. We will scan the tag and all your datum plate information appears. We've got the plate and structure number, we've got the chainage, we've got the horizontal and vertical offset, and the cant of the track. The fourth example I'm going to demonstrate is how you can use the tags to link to inspection test plans or maintenance records for equipment or plant. We've downloaded some information for a harness, so again you're going to associate tag. We will override the previous information from the datum plate, and our drop down menu of everything on the database appears again. I will go down to harness number 1, click on that, and association was successful. Scan the tag and all the information for that particular harness appears. We click on equipment. There's 2 headings there, equipment and documents. Documents will have the actual inspection test plans within them. When you click on equipment, we have the description, so it's a full body harness. We have the make, the model, the serial number, manufactured date, last inspection date, and the expiry date. These are just 4 examples of how you can use the Digital Rail Systems tags to send and control live design information to and from your site. There are many other applications, and I look forward to your questions.